Logic and Binary here at LB Dexter. We've got T-God to my right, and in front of me today, we have ourselves a Bluetooth speaker. I had to read that just to know it was a Bluetooth speaker. Obviously, it's a Bluetooth speaker. More specifically, the DOSS portable Bluetooth speaker, available on Amazon, link below. I'll give you a real brief description of it. It says Bluetooth speaker, DOSS soundbox Pro, portable wireless Bluetooth speaker with 20-watt stereo. Links below on Amazon. Woohoo! Let's get right into it, right? Instruction buttons, all the goodies in the back, all the details. Yeah, wake up, T-God. Yeah, all the details that we're not gonna go over because that's not what we do on this channel. Let's dive right in. And for that, we need the handy dandy sinew pocket knife, available but not available on Amazon. Click on the link below to see how it's not available. I don't know, I'm just gonna keep advertising it because I really do like this knife. And the link's still available on Amazon, but for whatever reason, they're out of stock. So I don't know if they're ever gonna bring them back, but I have one. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I lied, they were already open. T-God couldn't help himself. Here we go. We have ourselves what I'm assuming is the box and the charger cable. I learned my lesson about tossing boxes, so I'm not gonna toss this box anymore. Psych. And to my disappointment, womp, womp, womp. Yeah, you guys are seeing that correctly. Old school. I don't even call this what it is anymore. I just call it old school. So anyways, old school charging cable, new school Bluetooth speaker. He's got it in this retro blue color here. It's pretty nice. Reminds me of, oh, you know what? Reminds me of my mom's old Regal, remember? It was all this color. Yeah, the dashboard looked like that. Anyways, let's hook it up. So let's see how easy this is to connect. We'll go ahead and slide this over. We have our power button. Power. Extra bass. Oh, it's not called bass? No? Bass? Oh, I thought it was all about the bass. Up, down, volume, pause, add. I don't know what the add is for. I don't know what we're adding. Maybe it does math. I don't know. Mode, if you're in the mode for something. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, it looks like that's all the buttons. You have this little plastic thing in the back. Is this supposed to be waterproof? It is waterproof. I see water. IPX5. What does IPX5 mean? Can I take it in the shower? Understood. Understood. It sounds classified. Should I even be holding this? Can I take this in the shower? It's not like I'm gonna shower with it, but it'd be cool to have in there, you know, just in splash guard. Hey, this is pretty cool. I didn't know it was waterproof. Nice. In the back, it's got the rubber protection for the cables. You've got your auxiliary, the UX. I love the UX. It says here you have a reset button, and then you've got your old school charger. Is that a micro SD slot? Is that what that is? What? So there you go, all your 3 ports, the UX, the reset button's right in the middle. It's a little tiny one. The old school power charge cable, and then a little SD card slot. I love it. I love it. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on and see how easy it is to, let me clear all my notifications before I get stalkers. Let's see how easy it is to hook this up. It's supposed to have colors too. Let's see, how do we get this to connect? But definitely not the laptop. There's gotta be maybe add. Ooh, all right. So it's adding, and I'm gonna scan. It's not popping up. There it is, SoundBox Pro. Could not connect, why? Sounds like success to me. Now let's go get our boogie on. Why not?
Yeah, and we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof at all. So we can smoke and we can chill as we view the stars. I got a game that we can play, no rules involved. She said, Sky, I figured why I feel you true bizarre, cause that's just who you are. I guess Sky got him hooked, I'm Abdul-Jabbar. Bitches losing draws, might lose one, I never lose them all. I'm so stuck in my way, stay puffing the J. She want me to stay, I break out like bumps on the face. Up for the chase, but not my drink. It fuck up the taste, make mine straight. I'll be gone without a trace. Tracy, Ellis, Ross, all my girlfriends just want a place. I tell them play they part. I'm so good, like outside with my Mercedes parked. Yeah, and this could all be so simple, but you'd rather make it hard, huh? Shit.
I don't know. It could all be so simple, but T-God want to make it hard. I don't understand. Welcome back. I mean, there's not much more to say. Standard Bluetooth speaker, sounds great, pretty loud. Didn't even turn it up all the way. It's got lights. It's waterproof, and for the low price of $50, $49.99, it can be yours if you click the link below on Amazon.com. Go ahead and donate some more money to Mr. Bezos. He really needs it, but I need it more. Click on the link, help me out. At Logic and Binary, T Got's the one giggling in the back. Signing out. You already heard the outro. Here it comes one more time. Wait, don't forget to like, subscribe, play the video in the background, and leave a comment.
Yeah, hey, we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof.